Hi, this is Dawn. I'm back. Some of the things that I've found in the 10 years that I've done mentoring with individuals nationwide, even up in Canada, some international as well, is that when they're first getting started in real estate investing, they have a tendency to stop abruptly at one particular point. One of the biggest obstacles that a lot of people get themselves run into and end up having as a constant obstacle in their life is that they end up doing a bunch of activities but forget to take action. The action that you take is what makes you money in this business. So if you are looking at a bunch of properties running all over the place, you know, worrying about setting up your business and all those things, that's fine and dandy, but are they putting money in your pocket? So one of the most crucial things you need to constantly be asking yourself as you're getting started in real estate or you're jumping into another level of real estate where there might be a little bit of fear is, are the actions that you're taking going to bring you money? One of the biggest things that you should make sure that you have in mind and that you understand ahead of time before you continue down this path of just activity is, how are you going to get out of this particular deal? If you do not have the funds to do so yourself, if you do not know somebody who has the funds in which to be able to do so, or you don't have a cash buyer or a business partner in which to be able to do the business, the deal with, to be able to get you the money that you need to be able to get into the deal so you can actually get out of the deal, if you do not have that in place, you have no business looking at properties. That's just an activity, it's not an action. But if you know how you're ready to get, if you already have in place the ways in which to be able to fund the deal, or you already have your cash buyers list ready to go, then you can go look at properties based off of their criteria and be able to find properties that way. And that's when looking for properties is pertinent, is appropriate. If you're looking at properties and you do not have an understanding as to how you're going to get out of it, that's not an activity that's going to make you money. So one of the things that I stress quite a bit in the beginning of people starting real estate investing is make sure that you understand what your exit strategy is, how you are going to make money off of that transaction. Whether it's a cash buyers list that you need to have in place, whether it's business partners you need to have in place, hard money lenders in place, whether it's your funds transferred into an account that you can use for your own purchases, maybe it's seller financing or lease options, have a plan and understand how you're going to get out of it before you start walking down the path of trying to get into something. Because your criteria is going to really be dialed in and be a lot more specific if you have already done that preparatory work. You're not going to be wasting a lot of time. If you already, if you do not know who your cash buyers are going to be and you don't know what they're looking for, you shouldn't be looking at properties. Because chances are, and it's a pretty good chance, you're looking at stuff that they're not interested in. So, crucial lesson for today is make sure you understand how you're going to get out of it. The other thing that you should walk away from this video is make sure that you're taking action and that you're not just doing activity. Take care.